We're staying in the Demo 18 project. We're in the panel subfolder, and we've still got drawing demo09.dwg open in this case. Now we're sticking with our junction box 1 TSA, tag strip A. Now we're in the panel drawing, so if I just zoom out slightly, you can see where we are, and we're looking at this particular terminal strip here. Now this bit behind it here is actually, when you edit the footprints, a DIN rail. So you've got there, it's a manufacturer AB, and the catalogue number is 199DR DIN rail 1. So this is purely a DIN rail that the terminal tag strips are mounted on. If I now click on one of these like so, and then right click, you'll notice this right click becomes a lot more functional when you're doing things like this. I can go to edit terminal strip, and then we can edit our terminal properties as such. So this is our terminal strip editor. It's telling me that defined terminal wiring constraints are exceeded. What's happened there is extra terminals have been added automatically to fulfill the connection requirements. I'm just going to OK that, and then I'm going to explain why that's happened. If I come down to the bottom, do you recognize this number here? 102B. What's happened there is where we've added that extra terminal in drawing demo 02, linking it to this particular tag strip, it's had to insert 102B, red 14A wire types. So you can see there that it's linking to motor 104, and with those wirings, it's taking it across the tag strip on that particular terminal module that's in the panel drawing. So you can see here that all of this information here has come across, linking the associations between the motor and also the tag strip. So I can edit this information if I want to. There's nothing to stop me editing information. You can see here I've got properties, terminals, I can renumber them. I can make terminals spare or insert a spare terminal if I want to. And there's my destinations. I can toggle the locations, the installations, the terminal destinations, and switch the terminal destinations. I can also move the destinations as well. I can put jumpers in if I want to jump from one section to another on the terminal strip as well. And I can also make my terminal strips multi-level too. Now, I'm not going to go in and make loads of changes here because that will just confuse the AutoCAD electrical project database. But you can see how this works. So what's happening here is I've got my motor 104A from drawing demo 02. There's the wire and the type. It's going across the terminal strip here. There's the wire and the type again, and there's motor 104 again. So what it's doing is it's basically wiring across the terminal strip with that terminal that I've placed in the wire in drawing demo 02. It might sound a little confusing, but what you're doing here is purely setting up all the terminals where the actual electrical technician can wire everything in the panel. So it's where the physical wired connections are all joining together on these terminal strips in the actual panel boxes in the electrical installation.